when managing a $250,000 stock portfolio is how you get hands-on expertise in finance. When competing in a national advertising competition is your ticket to the industry, then this must be your business school. When starting new businesses is how you get first-hand expertise in management, and joining the Accounting Society opens the door to the Big Four, then this must be your business school. At Pace University's Lubin School of Business in Pleasantville, you get your hands on real work in the real world. And students get internships where the next big thing is happening every day. We are the Learn by Doing campus that leads to success after graduation. Our university is filled with professors who have been there and staff who are always there for you. Pace Lubin Pleasantville. This is your business school. This is your opportunity.